Hello, I'm Ryan Smith. Today I present the podcast episode, Effective Leadership, How to Evolve Manufacturing Industry for a Sustainable Future, written by Dr. Li, CTO from Rotex Technologies. In the highly competitive landscape of the industrial manufacturing sector, the role of senior leadership has become more crucial than ever, especially when it comes to the traditional industry production. Senior leadership is emerging as a driving force that not only navigates businesses through immediate challenges but also paves the way for a sustainable future, revolutionizing multiple aspects of the manufacturing industry. Management strategy, a shift towards agility. Traditional hierarchical management structures often prove too rigid in the face of rapid technological advancements and fluctuating market demands. Agile leadership of manufacturing firms is dismantling these old models. Instead of top-down decision-making, leaders are fostering collaborative environments where cross-functional teams have the autonomy to make critical decisions quickly. For instance, when developing a new generation of energy-efficient pumps, engineers, marketers, and production staff work side by side. This enables them to incorporate real-time customer feedback, ensuring the final product meets market needs precisely. With the help of the latest sensing technology and the Internet of Things (IoT), they monitor the performance of equipment in real time, both during production and after installation at the customer's site. This data not only helps in predictive maintenance, reducing downtime for end users, but also informs product improvement strategies, giving the company a competitive edge in terms of reliability and performance. Manufacturers shall establish objectives and commitments to pursue ESG environmental, social, and governance best practices and initiatives. They will need to use new technologies in order to provide the visibility, traceability, and data necessary to create and manage ESG initiatives to show their societal responsibility. Business development, innovation and market expansion. To stay ahead in the global market, senior leadership is fueling innovation in production operation. The manufacturer should invest heavily in research and development, sponsored by their senior executives, to develop next-generation technologies. For example, the development of magnetically levitated compressors reduces friction, improving energy efficiency by up to 30% compared to traditional models. This innovation not only attracts environmentally conscious customers but also positions the company as a market leader in their field. In terms of market expansion, leaders are looking beyond domestic boundaries. They are forging strategic partnerships with emerging economies, building manufacturing plants or distribution centers overseas. By understanding local regulations, cultural differences, and market demands, they adapt their product offerings. A German motor manufacturer might customize its products to meet the voltage and frequency requirements of American or African markets, thereby tapping into new revenue streams and diversifying risks. Operation management, lean and flexible processes. The mantra of a lean manufacturing has been embraced wholeheartedly by agile senior leadership in manufacturing plants. They are streamlining production processes, eliminating waste, and reducing lead times. Through just-in-time inventory management, companies can minimize warehousing costs while ensuring a seamless supply of components for production. For example, a fan manufacturing company uses automated inventory tracking systems that trigger orders for raw materials only when stock levels reach a critical point. Flexibility is another key aspect. With the ability to quickly reconfigure production lines, manufacturers can switch between different models of products based on market demand. If there's a sudden surge in demand for small, portable generators during a natural disaster or power outage season, the production line can be adjusted swiftly to ramp up output, meeting customer needs promptly. Supply chain, resilience and sustainability. In an era of global disruptions, from trade disputes to pandemics, supply chain resilience has become a top priority for senior leaders. They also have to be conscious and resilient to the rising geopolitical tensions, which can disrupting the production. The manufacturers leverage technology to enhance visibility and control over the supply chain, using tools like ERP enterprise resource planning systems and supply chain analytics. They are building stronger relationships with suppliers, often signing long-term contracts with favorable terms that ensure a stable supply of high-quality components. They need also to diversify their supplier base, reducing dependence on a single country, region, or supplier. Sustainability is deeply intertwined with supply chain management. Agile leaders are sourcing materials from recycled or renewable sources whenever possible. They might embrace novel technology to implement digital supply chain solutions, such as blockchain technology, to enhance transparency and traceability. For instance, using recycled copper in motor windings not only reduces environmental impact but also lowers material costs. Furthermore, they focus on sustainability, working with suppliers to reduce the environmental footprint of the supply chain through initiatives like green logistics and eco-friendly packaging. On-time delivery, meeting customer expectations. In the competitive world of industrial manufacturing, on-time delivery is non-negotiable. Agile senior leadership has implemented robust project management and logistics systems to ensure that engineered product reaches customers as promised. Advanced production scheduling software, integrated with supply chain data, allows for accurate forecasting of production timelines. If there are potential delays due to component shortages or production hiccups, proactive communication to customers is initiated immediately with promised recovery plan. Moreover, companies are investing in local warehousing and distribution centers closer to major customer hubs. This reduces transit times and the risk of customs delays, ensuring that a compressor ordered by a European industrial plant arrives precisely when needed, minimizing production downtime for the customer. Continuous improvement, enhancing the performance. The strategy of continuous improvement (CI) emphasizes three core principles: the Kaizen approach, feedback loops, and benchmarking, which are particularly valuable for industrial manufacturing businesses. The Kaizen approach encourages continuous, small improvements on the factory floor, such as optimizing workflows, reducing waste, and improving product quality. Feedback loops from employees, customers, and stakeholders help identify inefficiencies, quality concerns, or market demands, enabling manufacturers to quickly adjust production processes or product designs. Benchmarking against industry leaders helps manufacturers stay competitive by adopting the latest technologies, production techniques, and quality standards. By implementing Kaizen, manufacturers can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and minimize defects. Feedback loops ensure that customer needs are met, and benchmarking ensures they remain aligned with industry standards. Continuous improvement ensures manufacturers can respond to changing market demands, technological advances, and operational challenges. These practices drive sustained growth, improve operational performance, and enhance product quality, helping manufacturing businesses maintain a competitive edge in an evolving market. Finally, by transforming management strategies, driving business development, optimizing operations and supply chains, ensuring on-time delivery, and continuous improvement, these leaders are positioning their companies for a sustainable future. In a world where competition is fierce and environmental concerns are mounting, their ability to adapt, innovate, and collaborate will determine the long-term success and viability of the industry, safeguarding jobs, economic growth, and technological advancement. It is through this holistic approach that the manufacturers can continue to lead the global market, providing reliable, efficient, and sustainable products to meet the world's growing energy and industrial needs. Thank you for listening today.